Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Rated V, where I excite you about plant-based food. And today I'm excited because I'm going to show you my favorite post-workout smoothie. It's packed with protein and fiber and antioxidants and omega-3s. You're going to want to try it. The best part is that I use a peanut butter protein powder that tastes so much like peanut butter, but doesn't have all the fat and the calories that regular peanut butter does. So you save so many calories. Woo!
So of course you want to start with blueberries, throw in your bananas, your giant handful of spinach, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, tablespoon of hemp seeds, and 2 generous tablespoons of peanut butter protein powder. Then of course you add your plant-based milk of choice, and you want to just pour about a cup, and then you just blend.
Guys, I freaking love this smoothie. It tastes like peanut butter, bananas, and blueberries. You don't even taste the spinach, but you get all the fiber and protein benefits from the spinach. You're gonna get all your greens and your antioxidants and your fruits all in one, and it tastes like a peanut butter milkshake. Yeah, it's worth it. So good for after a workout. You actually stay full. Like, I stay full for a few hours. So the brand of peanut butter powder that I use is BP Fit. And as you can see, it's organic peanut butter powder. It's all natural, gluten-free. It's only 70 calories per 2 tablespoons, you guys. 8 grams of protein. I like that it's also low sugar. And you can make cookies with it. If you guys want to try this and make your own smoothies, I'll leave a link in the description below. You get the protein from the chia seeds, the hemp seeds, the omega-3s, fiber from everything. In total, this smoothie has about 14 grams of protein and a lot of fiber as well from all the fruits and the veggies. You can add more obviously if you want. The spinach gives it a great nutritional value as well. A giant handful of spinach is still gonna benefit you in some way, especially if you're not gonna eat it later in a salad or something. If you're a peanut butter lover and wanna do it a leaner way, I highly recommend this. I love it. I am addicted to it. It's so good. Let me know what you think and what smoothies you end up making out of it.